Guyana's Occupational Safety and Health Act, which dates back to 1997, is being revised with the assistance of the International Labour Organization, the ILO, and will make provisions for regulating safety and health in the oil and gas sector. This is according to Alicia Jerome Rees, Ministerial Advisor in the Ministry of Social Protection, under which the Labour Department is managed. She said with 16 major oil discoveries since 2015 and the huge potential economic gains expected, it is justifiable that emphasis is being placed on the oil and gas sector.
As the government of Guyana continues to prioritize its preparedness prior to force oil, such as the drafting of the Local Content Policy and the passage of the Natural Resource Fund Act, among others, we are cognizant that it is critical to ensure that the required regulatory framework and laws are enforced to guarantee the safety of workers in the new and emerging oil and gas sector in Guyana.
Speaking at the opening of the Guyana Safety Forum at the Artichon Conference Centre Wednesday morning, she said the Occupational Safety and Health Policy launched earlier this year is in accordance with the Occupational Safety and Health Convention of the ILO and Guyana's Decent Work Country Programme of 2017 to 2021. She said the policy is guided by the need to identify occupational risks and hazards and control them at the source.
Government will work to ensure that the occupational safety and health of workers is protected through an adequate and appropriate system of enforcement of safety and health standards, including a robust and effective labor inspection system within our ministry. Training has already commenced with HSE officers for the oil and gas sector.
Mrs. Jerome Rees said the country's occupational safety and health policy also focuses on the development of a national preventative and safety and health culture that includes collaboration at all levels.
It is applicable to all categories of workers and workplaces in all sectors and spheres of economic activity, in the field of factory, office, private and public agencies, informal sector, and the local and foreign investors.
The ministerial advisor noted that government employers and workers all have a shared responsibility to ensure the right to a safe and healthy working environment is respected at all levels.
Workers have the right to refuse or stop unsafe work when they have reasonable justification to believe that there is an imminent and serious risk to their safety and health.
She said the government, through the Ministry of Social Protection, is committed to ensure that the safety and health of workers is maintained at suitable standards as enshrined in the Constitution, the country's labour laws and the ILO conventions Guyana has ratified. Speaking of private sector development, she said to be competitive, companies need to ensure that their occupational safety and health standards are well within the international framework. Jerome Rees said the government welcomes the initiative of the Energy Chamber of Trinidad to hold the second Guyana Safety Forum, as it would allow the exchange of ideas among industry experts